This video describes how to specify which IP addresses can access services on ESXi hosts. At installation time, the ESXi Firewall is configured to allow any IP address to connect to host services. When you add allowed IP addresses to a service, you limit the networks that can access the service to only those IP addresses you specify. You can add or remove allowed IP addresses from either the vSphere client or the command line, for example, by using ESXi commands. In the vSphere client, browse to the host in the inventory, click Configure, and under System, click Firewall. Click Edit and select a service from the list. In the Allowed IP Addresses section, deselect Allow Connections from any IP address and enter the IP addresses of networks that can connect to the host. You can enter individual IP addresses or enter a range of IP addresses. Separate the IP addresses with commas. You can enter IPv4 or IPv6 addresses. Click OK. The Allowed IP Addresses column is updated with the new addresses. You can remove individual IP addresses from the Allowed IP Addresses list for a service, or you can remove all restrictions and allow any IP address to access the service. Navigate to the Edit Security Profile dialog and either remove the IP address or click Allow Connections from any IP address. When you add IP addresses at the command line, you must first disable all allowed IP addresses for the rule set by using the -A equals false flag. Then specify the IP addresses or range of IP addresses to allow using the -I flag. You can view the IP addresses that can access each service by using the Allowed IP List command. To remove allowed IP addresses, run the remove command, specifying the IP addresses with the -I flag, or reset the allowed all flag to true. For more information about allowing IP addresses to access host services, see the vSphere Security Guide and visit docs.vmware.com.